This conference will now be recorded.
Welcome to Besant Technologies. Today we're going to see about the Node.js. So agenda of the session is introduction to Node.js, how to install, simple examples and NPM. So what is Node.js? Node.js has been built by the JavaScript language. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. Node.js uses an event-driven, non-blocking I/O model that makes it lightweight and efficient. So Node.js is a lightweight coding structure and this is a efficient which is very fast to transferring the data from one end to other end. Why? Asynchronous and event-driven functions, lightweight and very fast. So what is asynchronous? Multiple tasks perform at the same time is called as a concurrency. So achieving this concurrency is called as asynchronous. So we have to, in large kind of applications, many users has been using the application to transfer the data from one end, that is back end to front end, from different data structure. For this, Node.js has been performed very fast transmission of data. So it is called as asynchronous event driven, lightweight and very fast. Where it is IO bound application, data streaming application, passing a data from one end to another end, that is back end to front end, JSON API based application, REST API, JSON is JavaScript or notation. So transferring of data has been used by the JSON data structure. How to install the Node.js? Go to the Node.js website, nodejs.org, and there is a two files are there, latest features and recommended for the most users. Recommended for most users the stable feature given by the Node.js. So if you want to download the stable feature, you go for an recommended for most users. So model export and import concept has been available in the Node.js. So in a project, we are writing a code in multiple files. We have to use a one file of code. We have to use the code of one file from other file. So we go for an export and import concepts. A model in Node.js can be exported by which it can be exported in other files. So the require function is help to importing the models. So exporting the models has been module.exports and give the module name. So what, in which way we have to import the models means where table name, where gives the variable name equal to require of model name. Hello world is a simple application we are building where HTTP equal to require of HTTP. HTTP dot create server a request comma response. Request is the data coming from the front end. Response is the data given back to the front end. So console.log is the print statement in this. Rest.writeHead. Returning of data is by rest.writeHead. 200 is the success status. Content type is text plain. So rest.write of hello world. Hello world is the data transferring to front end. Rest.end. Response is to be entered in this. Node.js Package Manager. NPM is the Node.js Package Manager. Node.js supports modularity. Each modules can be built under the single package. NPM is used to install, update, uninstall, and configure the Node.js platform models and packages very easily. NPM install. How to install the third-party models? NPM space install space third-party model name. For example, here we given the Express model name. NPM install Express say. Node.js require. Node.js require is used to import the JS files. So the module packages are available in imported JS files using require function. This helps in loading HTTP packages in current JS files. For future references, go to the website nodejs.org or www.npmjs.com. Thank you.